life could not have been worse, because boy did I edit this video and somehow magically it disappeared because I formatted it. Without recognizing, I did not download it because I didn't have the storage. And I thought Time Machine must have saved it, but I did not even on that feature. So ladies and gentlemen, whoever is watching this, humble request, please on your Time Machine in case if you're gonna do as stupid stuff as me. Moving on to the video. Currently it is 7:30 p.m. on a Sunday. I am not even kidding. I have been sleeping right over here, working right over here, and my mental health is taking a toll on it. So let's go spend some money. Actually, this time I'm spending it very mindfully because I really want to transform a place where I can put my laptop, work, forget about outside world, and just think about my future. At this point, this pimple is my identity. So let's get dressed. Let me show you what I'm working with. I'm wearing a very basic outfit, which is just like a grey top and blue jeans. That's it, and we are going to West Side. Because they do have furniture. Other than that, there are no good places in Vadodara where you can shop. By the way, this is the aesthetic that I'm going for. The table I know is gonna cost me a lot, but I'm looking for a jugaad. I mean, I have spent my entire life with Gujaratis who live for jugaad. Obviously, I'm gonna learn a thing or two. This table was right over here. And this is what the current situation is. Obviously, this all is going to get cleared very soon. And I'm thinking about putting the table right over here. Such a pretty wall. I can decorate it however I want. Can't get it in from this side, so they went through the gallery and done. I have to thank the two boys who helped me put this in, because if it was not for them, this would have not been possible. But anyways, the table is here. Now that I'm looking at it, I love how grand it is. If nobody loves it, it's your problem. It's not mine. As you guys can see, it's not like an ideal table. Like a study table, it's definitely not like that. It's as big as a dining table, even more bigger than a dining table. Because it's supposed to be for corporates. If you didn't know, my father has a business. And I asked him, I basically begged him that if he has an unused table that I can use. And he's like, yeah, but it doesn't look like your aesthetic. I'm like, just send it over. Make sure that the top is white. Other than that, I can turn it around. And if you were wondering, Asha, you should have just bought it. It's not that expensive. Have you seen the prices? I went to Pepper Fry. I went to so many places. And literally the prices were above 10k, and I don't have time. I really am exhausted. I don't have time. Akshata, hi, what's up? We're supposed to shoot. I canned the entire idea, because why not? मैं अपनी खुद की voice, and that's the worst and the best part about it. If the reel reaches about 20,000 likes, great decision. If it does not, we'll figure something out.
After
Ages.
a lot of tries shooting at her office, now we're at Central Square.
It's not my office, it's my father's office.
But it's still
anyways,
yours only. Nice.
After much required delay, we could not shoot, and now we've decided we're gonna go buy a table so we can shoot at home, because there is nothing. I have not had one good lecture in past 7 years, even though I went to college, because I refused to learn, except it's from YouTube. I learned from YouTube.
YouTube is our teacher.
Yes. No, we can apply pattern. I also went for very cheaper options, which is ply, but mostly they make it in that brown, dirty brown color. Not even brown, because I like brown. Dirty brown color and laminates on it. That's definitely not my aesthetic. This is way better. Obviously it's very big, but I have an amazing plan for it, so stay tuned for that. There is a car right in front of me. Do you want to guess its number? I'm pretty sure nobody can guess it, because usually numbers are 4 digits. His number is literally 2 digits, and that too 22. How amazing is that? His number is Gujarat's code, Vadodara's code, PM22. Actually, it's not PM, but you understand it, right? Because I can't leak his name.
number, whatever.
177.
Sorry?
1177.
Just went down and came up. I'm so exhausted. Let me show you what I got because that's amazing. This is just half of the shopping. The rest, for example, the lamp and everything, I still have to purchase that. So tomorrow I'm going to go again early morning. I got this pillow. So while I'm sitting, I can put it on my back and sit very comfortably. Also, I was using like a dining table chair. My father was like, aren't you acting too cheap? I was like, yeah. So they're giving me my brother's, like one of my brother's chair. By the way, have you seen the Goa vlogs? If you've not, bro, you're missing out. Next, I got this tin. Everything, by the way, is from Mr. DIY. Says coffee, and I really want a coffee station somewhere. I was thinking over there. So we'll probably fill this with coffee and bring my machine up. This is important. Now, I'm not very sure about this, but I got like a marble sheet for a wooden table. I'm like, just to match the aesthetic, maybe I can keep it. But now that I'm looking at the table, I don't think it's a very brilliant plan, and this costed me like about 250 rupees. I can exchange it, I think. I got like a mouse pad from Miniso for 100 rupees. I got golden spoons again from Mr. DIY for the coffee. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got. And the things that I was looking for, I could not find them, or else I would have bought them. To be honest, I looked at a lot of stuff and I rationalized it. I'm like, is this going with my aesthetic? Is this even Akshita core? And I don't even know what Akshita core is, but we are going to make it a thing. This is what the room is looking like. Absolutely disgusting. And I forgot to take these scots outside. So I might have to do it all by myself. We are entering a different chapter of my life. So welcome on board, grab some popcorns, wear your florals, grab your friends, make a... I mean, I'm a Blair girl. I've always been a Blair girl. I wiped them, but they have some crazy stains. So I'm just gonna brush them nicely and then again wash it. This is wood, but it has a lamination sheet, so it's gonna be protected. Oops. You can see the lamination, even though it's clean. Look at this. This is entirely gone. There's no lamination remaining. And this table is like super old. So I was thinking maybe I should do the wallpaper on this. Like, just look at the cover. It just looks so good. But as soon as you open this, it is a piece of shit. Don't worry, I'm still gonna use this for something. Also, when this house was about to be made, my best friends, 5 of my best friends, gave me something very special. They very well know that I'm a self-obsessed, narcissist girly. So they gave me These are real flowers. These raisin letters and my entire name. This is how it looks. It's so cute. Okay, I don't use like a coffee machine which is electrical. I use a mocha pot which would need like a gas stove or something. So it's very complicated to keep upstairs. But I do have a cold brew machine and I do have something to brew. So I think that's a great idea. I usually don't add anything. I like it plain, but something in me says that Akshita, you should explore more if you want to own a cafe by the time you're 40. Okay, this is what it looks like right now. Now the problem is the table is big and I don't have much stuff to stuff this. My vision is I'll just put like a small chotu lamp right over here. Get a few more magazines because I don't think so I'll be keeping my books. I don't want to read my books. Plus I don't want people to know what type of books I'm reading. I am thinking about putting a brown, this sort of a thing. I don't know what it's called. I'm trying to find it, okay? What is embarrassing? Stores are not open and I'm here to shop. This costed me about 4,000 rupees, which is actually the original price of the lamp. Okay, I did not buy the ceramics that were looking really cute and mera dil aa gaya tha. To be honest, I did love them. But I was like, maybe I can find cheaper ones because there's an exhibition going on in Vadodara. So I was like, let me go to the exhibition. I do have like 15-20 minutes, good 15-20 minutes. Let me go there, see. If not, I'll come back and buy them. You guys, I feel like I'm a different type of animal today because I've not had anything and I'm still shopping. Like I left at 11, as you can see on my face is different color now and it's already 1. I have to submit the video by 5. It's yet to be assembled. Let's see, hopefully I can do it. For now I'm eating a cheese vada pav because why not? Did I wash my hands? No, but it's really bad. Let me show you what all I got because I did not film much at the stores because anyways I'm popping very early. I didn't want them to have that misconception she's here to shoot rather than her to actually buy. And I spent a lot of money. First things first is starting with the lamp and I was confused between 2 lamps with this one. This is what the lamp looks like and they removed the light so I do have to buy them. Now this is what I was thinking and keep the lamp right over here. Okay, this is like a fun thing. I got this coffee table. It is a popcorn cup. How cute is this? And I can like store my straws and stirrers in this. Next is also very fun find. I got this book. How cute is this book? It looks like a vintage book, but in reality it's a box. So I can hide anything in this. Also I got something. I'm pretty sure you've already seen a lot of girls use this. I got this from Etsy Bitsy and it was 50% off. Basically I got this for the coffee table. I also did get something else because I went to a fair. I miss not buying those 2 bowls, but I might end up buying them. But for now, I got this ceramic plate where I can keep my cups. Also, I have a matching cup. I have 1 matching cup. This is what the coffee station looks like. I feel like all I need is a machine, but for now it works. This is what it currently looks like. I love it. Even without those 2 mugs, it looks good. It looks decent. But here's the thing. I feel like I love them too much and just imagine the yellow one and the green one. How cool will that look? Just imagine me shooting my Instagram reels over here. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Akshita Bhagan. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Akshita Bhagan and if you're watching this video, if I can create this setup, you can do. You can do. All you have to do is look for the finer things and also not cheap out on the lamp because if you cheap out on the lamp, there's no way back going. Way back going? There is no way you're going back.
Finally Akshita has shot a video.
हाँ जी
जो कल हमने नहीं कर पाए थे.
नहीं आधा हुआ है. Majority part is yet left and I am so confused how I'm gonna get it done.
So then too, like you got.
Survive and survive. Same lift. Guess where we are. Guess where we are. We are exactly where we're supposed to be. Furniture shopping, expensive ones.
Going to the same store that we came yesterday.
Yeah.
To get plants this time.
No, like vase.
Vase. Yeah, whatever.
Expensive ones.
हाँ मतलब टेबल नहीं लिया पर वाज ले लेगी तू इधर से देखेंगे और बबल बबल वाले सब
इसमें है 20% MRP
तो it would
ये है मैम को
Yeah.
1100 का तो इसमें 20% है 879 में पड़ेगा आपको
अच्छा ये दोनों चाहिए वो मैं सुबह देख के गई थी अभी ये नहीं How much I spent here today? Because I was shocked.
How
And
much?
I'm pretty sure my father, after he looked at my transaction, he's gonna be shocked. But that's okay. It's all about mental peace, not aesthetics.
We're trying to find the perfect light for the lamp, the perfect bulb for the lamp, and it is for the last one we saw was 250 rupees.
And I have to buy
Just
two of
one
them.
bulb. That I ordered just came. Look at Tulsi. Before I can even say, she picked it up and just the gym is showing.
Tulsi is just coming in, and I'm gonna show her how the table looks.
This is so interesting.
I agree.
The lamp, the vase, giving, bro, giving. It's Akshata. She'll make everything possible. You can give me like tomorrow. Can you serve me coffee in the morning?
Yeah.
I'm waking up very early.
Why not? Definitely. We'll just make a good batch of below.
Yeah, and I can shoot it.
Yeah, you can shoot that. For your YouTube, she has a YouTube. Anyways, let me give you guys a haul because everything, as always, is delectable. Tulsi's here just to accompany. First things first, we got a board to keep right over here, and I really wanted a brown color. And this guy, he gave me this color. It is definitely not brown. It looks very mauvey, but I can understand why people would think that it's a brown color. So I'm probably gonna get it changed. So luggage is brown.
But it's a red baggage. This is not brown. Stationery wale log, please understand red is red, but
And they personally know her, you know. So I can pull some strings.
yeah.
Definitely. Moving on, next stuff.
Pilu pass li tune aapne.
Yeah, you open one, I open one. And then I wonder what you got. भाई वो vlogs देखती है नहीं.
Edit, cut.
Speak of the devil. The devil alive. The first vase.
Cute, seem interesting.
Such a good setup. And you want to see the fun part? I've already told these guys, but let me give you the deets. What do you think this is?
What did it? This is the thing. Acha.
This is the-
bro.
Yep. And let's put these up.
Wait, this is not how you do it. I have to return this. It's supposed to be screwed.
If any of the ladies are watching this with their boyfriend, just shut this video right now because we don't want them to know that I and us together can put this board on all by ourselves without any male interference whatsoever. Let's go. Now, the most toughest question is what should be the height? What is the appropriate height for this? These are command hooks and command strips because I don't want to drill any holes. And they are super easy to also use and remove. For example, I had a command strip right over there. Can you see the mark? Can you see the wall chipped? No, because it did not. These, again, command strips. And I'm pretty sure when I remove it, nothing's gonna happen.
New Glycolic Bridal Scott Serum by L'Oreal Paris.
I'm using a... Okay, so basically, all you do is remove the red liner, which is this one. So you take one of them, remove the red line very carefully. One box only has like 2 hooks, but I already have extra one. So I'm gonna use that too. I've already marked where I wanted, and like with a yellow pencil, so it's not very visible to the naked eye, but I actually know where it is. It's right over here. I'm gonna give you a detailed version because nobody taught me how to use it, and I had to like YouTube it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once you're done, you just press it again and then remove the hook and the white part sticks. You have to keep this for 30 minutes, I think. After that, you can hook it back. Wait! I don't know if you like that on you. Anyways, we're putting this board. This is morning and I am so excited to see whether or not it works, whether or not command strip works. Let me give you the final reveal in 1, 2 and 3. Hi guys, and this is the study room door. Once you come in, all you see is nothing but all my gadgets. I've got a rack for my clothes in case I want to film here, and I intend to film here instead of my room because it's so much messy. So basically, as soon as you enter, you have a whiteboard and a rack for clothes in case I want to film here. Then we have a bin with all my gadgets like my hard drive, chargers, extra phone cases, 1 tripod, 2 tripod, 3 tripod. This is actually a soft light, but it is a makeshift soft light because do you want to see what's inside? An LED bulb. Then moving on, that's the bathroom. If I'm stranded here, I can actually take a shower and poop. How amazing is that? But this, my friend, is the masterpiece. I'm not dressed just to give you a tour. How amazing is that? But anyways, this is my desk. That's where I'm gonna sit. It rolls. It's got a very squishy pillow, so I can do this. Moving on. I call this the coffee station. We've got 3 cups. Coffee, green tea, measure cup, green tea, strainer, something blue from my friends. Then we've got a little bit of ghee just in case if you want to add in coffee, and stirrer and straw. Cold brew, machine, and the menu which says me and you. Then as you can see, we've got the Logitech devices, my laptop which has my fingerprints all over it, so if in case a crime scene was supposed to happen, they would know whose it is. We've got very expensive vases, the yellow one which holds my paintbrush and all of that stuff. The green one which is very boring, which has nothing but markers, pens, sketch pens, all of that jazz. Then we've got a ruler because I really want to design some pieces like a jewelry piece, so I got this ruler which is very handy. Lip balm, obviously I need lip balm. Then we have a tissue box, an alarm clock just so I know what time it is. Very expensive lamp. A tree that's almost dying. Actually it's not dying, it's shedding. I have two notebooks. This is my daily notebook so I can make my to-do lists. This is just a book where I can sketch all my drawings. Yeah, I'm not going to show you that. Then a few 90s magazines because they were the best. Nothing can beat that. And obviously the creme de la creme is nothing but this Hamlet box which holds complete rubbish. The vibe at night is totally different when this lamp is on, the lights are dim. Sort of looks like this, but I don't have the photos when the board was here. So you get an idea how amazing it looks. Now coming to the important part, which is nothing but this notice board which says 100k because I really want 100k subscribers on this page. So if you've not followed, subscribe or like this video, do it right now. That really did sound like a dhamki. No, this is a request. If you liked it, then like it. If you like me, then subscribe. But anyways, this board actually costed me 1300 rupees because I had to change it. Usually it comes in green, red and blue. But I wanted it in brown, so we changed the color and it's jute fabric. And that costed me 200 rupees extra, but it is worth the wait. Can you believe this is going to be my study room? But anyways, I do have to thank a lot of people. For example, my parents who let me transform their bar into a study room, and also for their efforts, because I used to live in a 4 BHK and share a bedroom with my brother, and now I get to have 2 rooms. So it's all their hard work and their perseverance, and now I intend to do the same. Hence this table, hence this room, hence these efforts. But hopefully, by God's grace, may Bappa be with us all the time and we can exponentially grow and reach that goal. That's it from my side. I hope you liked it. I also have to thank Tulsi. I also have to thank the 2 boys who came home and picked this table up, because it's on the 3rd floor, love. The efforts were too high. I also have to thank my mother. I also have to thank my brother. He didn't do anything. He literally was like, Arjun, can you film it for me? No. But anyways, just for not being intrusive and saying, no, I'm gonna clean this room, I have to thank him. And I have to thank you guys, because you guys are special. And that's it. I hope you liked it. Love you.